Rapid fire answers coming your way. What's today's burning question? Let's find out.
Dry coughs usually last about 2 to 3 weeks and often follow a cold or virus. They can be persistent, but typically improve on their own. Wet coughs, which produce mucus, may last longer, sometimes up to 8 weeks as the body clears infection. If your cough lasts beyond this, it's best to see a healthcare professional.
Your daily dose of discovery ends here, but the journey of learning never stops. Subscribe and join us again for more answers tomorrow.